unbox my Charlotte Tilbury order with me. So I got new stuff for my kit. A bit of a mix, really. So we'll start with this. These are the palettes I got. To start, I got the bigger, brighter eyes filter. So these are like the same size as the normal palettes, but all the colours are shimmery. And I've wanted this for ages. Oh, lie. 3 of them are, but that still works. And that one's matte. That looks pretty. So that's like a nice neutral. That'll be good for brides. I got this Blush and Glow palette. This is meant to be, I think, like travel sized. But it was perfect. Kit size. It is tiny. And this is Hollywood Blush and Glow in fair and medium. In the shades fair, medium and... Oh, it doesn't have a name. Great. And then I got it in the tan and deep as well. Same one. Pretty. Love. That's such a nice blush colour. I love, like, for deeper skin, not anything that's so, like, purple. I feel like it looks really dressy, whereas I wanted something a bit more, like, slightly more neutral. So it doesn't look as, like, super done up. Then I got this Sophisticated Eyeshadow Quad, which looks gorge. These are all matte, and they just look amazing. How nice. Then I got my testers, which I got the Flawless Filter Tester and the oil, which I never use, but I got a top up of the 4.5, the mini Flawless Filter, which blasted me really well. I just ran out of that. I got the special edition extra large setting spray, which is literally enormous. Whoa. How cool is that? And then I got 2 of the Christmas kits. Oh, actually, I forgot. I got Iconic Nude, which I've never bought, in the lip liner. Thought that would be nice to have. And then I got 2 of the Blush and Glow kits. I got this one is the Matte Beauty Wand and the award-winning Light Wand. And this is in the shade Pillow Talk, which is nice. Oh, and these are like cute and perfect size for my kit. So I got them. And then I got the everyone's favourite beauty light wands, which is what I really wanted, was the mini size of the Hollywood Beauty Light Wand and the Hollywood Spotlight and Pinkgasm. They're gorgeous. I'm desperate to try this. And then the same thing in Pinkgasm. So that is my haul, guys. All my new bits for my kit. So exciting. Looking at it thinking, how much was that for all of this? Anyway,